Yesterday, the store that we typically go to for grocery had this huge sale on corns, and I want to show you guys how I make it super cute, and I hope you guys will like it. First thing, you just kind of want to clean out the husks or like the hair that you have in the corn. Just kind of peel back the leaf, but not all the way, and clean out the hair. I try to clean as much as possible at the grocery store because they have like these huge buckets that you can just throw them in instead of bringing it home and kind of messing up your counter space and have to clean up again. Anyway, so this one's pretty good already, and I'm just going to pull the leaves back and go on to the next one. Okay, so the three of them are pretty much cleaned. You do want to keep quite a bit of leaf left so that we have leaves to work with. So in a pot, I just have a shallow bit of water, and you don't need too much, and I'm just going to go ahead and place the corn inside. If you have a larger pot, it would be great. It would be ideal to steam them, but I don't, so unfortunately I have to boil them, but it's all good. So just put them in and put a lid on it. So while the corn is cooking, I'm going to make the little faces, and this step is totally optional. So I have myself some nori sheet, and I just got this really cute face cutter stamp thingy from my trip to Japan, but you can also just cut it with scissors. Easy enough. Once you punch, all these different shapes comes out. So I want the little eyes and the tiny mouth. So I do have to make a couple of cuts. So we have the three. This one, and this one. Alright, once the corn is cooked, you want to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's cool to the touch so we can work with it. Now at this point, you want to pull everything all the way back to the base of the corn. Ooh, still a little hot. I'm going to start doing the first style, which is a single braid. So you kind of just want to take all the leaves and divide it into 3 equal parts. The leaves are so easy to separate apart, should be no problem. There you go. Oh, be sure to leave just one strand of leaf to the side. I'm going to take that out. So take this to the side and leave it there. Okay, now let's get back. So, and you just want to start braiding just like normal hair would. Okay, now that's done, and you want to tie it up just like that. And this is a simple braid. Okay, so let's go for something slightly more complicated. Okay, so for this one, you want to split it in 2, and then with the 2, you want to split it into 3. Just like before, you want to braid it using the 3 sections that you had just separated into. Okay, let's do the same for the other side. Split it into 3 sections. And there you have it. You can also trim the ends a little bit so it looks nice and neat. There you go. Okay, so for the last one, with everything, you want to, again, like the first one, split it into 3. And like the first one, you just want to braid it. So once you get to the end, you don't have to tie it up. What you're gonna do is, like a bun, you just want to kind of curl it so it stays like a bun, just like doing hairstyle for the little corn is so cute. Okay, so and then take the leaf that you had before, and you just want to wrap it and kind of secure it like that. And there you have it. It's a cute little bun.